Okay, today during math, we're going to be working on math practices and problem solving. Precision. Precision means being exact or accurate. So when we are precise, we are giving the exact location of an object or shape. That way we can find it better. First, we're going to watch a video.
Emily is looking for something in her room. Which shape is Emily thinking of?
All right, so let's look at the shape that she's thinking of. Now let's describe this shape. This shape has curves. It has no straight lines, and it has no straight sides, but it doesn't look flat. What shape is this? Think about it to yourself. What shape do you think it is?
Emily is thinking of. Do you see an object that looks like a sphere on the shelf? How do you know?
All right, so let's look at the shelf. We're looking for an object that looks like a sphere on the shelf. So it looks like on the shelf she has a Rubik's Cube and she has a can of tennis balls. Are either of these shapes spheres? Well, this is kind of a trick question because a Rubik's Cube is definitely a cube. It can't be a sphere. But let's look at the can of tennis balls. Is the can shaped like a sphere? No, it's not. It's shaped like a cylinder. But what about the tennis balls inside? What shape are the tennis balls? That's right. Tennis balls are shaped like a sphere. So since we can see them, they're shaped like a sphere.
No, there is no object that looks like a sphere on the shelf. One object is a puzzle that is shaped like a cube, and one object is a can shaped like a cylinder.
Okay, now they said the object shaped like a sphere on the shelf, but we were thinking a little bit harder than they were. Even though the can is shaped like a cylinder, the objects inside are shaped like spheres. And since we can see them through the can, they're definitely spheres.
Where else in Emily's room can she look for an object shaped like a sphere?
Okay, so in her room, like a sphere, where can she look for an object shaped like a sphere? So again, we're talking about being precise or being accurate, telling the location of an object. Which object in her room also looks like a sphere? I think it's right here. It's the beach ball. Where is the beach ball located? What is the exact location of this beach ball? How can you explain to someone exactly where it is? Be precise.
She can look below the bed. There's my ball. Emily found a ball under her bed. How do you know that Emily chose?
Okay, so she said that the ball under her bed or below her bed is a sphere. How do you know this is a sphere? What are some characteristics of a sphere that you know? Spheres have curves. They don't have any straight sides or corners. Also, spheres are not flat. They are solid. A beach ball is a sphere. It has curves, no straight sides or corners, and it is solid, not flat.
The ball looks just like a sphere. Both the sphere and the ball have a curved shape. Where is the ball?
Where is the ball? So this is when we're being precise, giving the exact location. So if you were going to explain to somebody where the ball is, where would you say it is?
The ball is below the bed. Now you know how to be precise when describing the positions of shapes in the environment.
Great job. So today, when you do your interactive workbook page, you'll be completing page 729. You will see some objects and where they are located. Please make sure that you read the directions underneath because they'll be asking you to mark specific objects based on their precise or exact location. If you have any questions or comments or need any assistance while you're doing your classwork, please feel free to reach out to your teacher.